Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we add transitions in Camtasia. Okay, while you are editing the videos, how to add the transitions. So basically this is the video which I'm gonna edit here, and this video in its three parts. First one, second one, and the third one. Okay. Now to add the transitions, you have here an option transitions. Just click on that and you have here lots of transitions. If you want to filter them, then click here and just filter them. Okay. And yeah, where to add transitions? According to this Camtasia, you can add transitions in the initial part of the video, in the end part of the video, and in the part of the video where you are merging two videos. Okay, so this and this video are kind of, they're meeting at a point. So we can add the transitions here. Okay, so Camtasia allows that. So to add it, we have here lots of transitions. To add it, we just select, drag, and whenever we'll drag, then this video automatically gets activated to attach that transitions. Okay, so we can add it here or here or here or in the last. So what we would do is we'll just attach it here and let's see the effect. Let's play the video. Yeah, so the effect that you've seen right now, that was the effect. And let's see here without effect. Okay, this is without effect. And if you will add the effects like this one, select and drag, and let's play again. Get it? So this is the video transitions. Now you can increase the duration of this transition. Just zoom in, zoom out from here and select it, and you can select the transition and you can increase the size. Okay, the duration actually. Okay, when you click and select and drag in one area, in one side, then it automatically increases to another side. Okay, because the transition is in both the videos. Okay, so this time see the transition gets slower. Get it? So this way guys, you can add the transition. If you want to delete it, then just select it, select the transition and press delete. It will be deleted. So this way guys, you can add the transitions in the videos in Camtasia. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.